Hey guys, welcome back to Cool Tool Tuesday.
You do realise it's Wednesday.
Come on man, we've been so busy. This guy. Hey guys, welcome back to Cool Tool Tuesday. Here at Timbecon, we often get asked from customers whether we sell sanding discs that have the adhesive peel off back on them so you can stick them straight onto your disc sander. We don't sell those because we sell these. What this is Velcro. It's developed by the friendly chaps at Velcro and NASA to be amazing, and it's fantastic to use in the workshop. While you could spend however long it takes to scrape all the adhesive off every time, and then reapply it only to have to scrape it off again, you could also just get one of these Velcro discs that cleans up really easy, slap it straight on, and then you can use Velcro back discs. It's super easy to apply these adhesive back Velcro discs to your sander. Basically, if you've got a new machine, pick up one of these with it and you can put it on straight from the get-go. It's nice and clean, easy, don't have to clean up anything. All you have to do is peel the back off, line up the edges, and stick it on. If you've got an older disc sander that you've already been using the adhesive discs, what you'll need to do is peel that disc off and give that a good clean with a scraper and get in there with your cleaning chemicals and peel the back off, stick it on, and you're good to go. Hello!
Jesse says hi.
So these come in 3 different sizes. We come in a 305, a 230mm or a 150mm, so it'll do both hand orbital sanders right up to 300mm disc sanders. As these are actually Velcro branded things, they're so much better than the cheaper competitors' ones. It is a little bit more expensive to buy, but it is fantastic economy to get one. It'll save you in the long run, hands down. To check out the Velcro discs and the other range of stuff we have here at Timbecon, click the link below and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on Tuesday.